Hello. If you have already successfully registered in Manulearn, so this is your dashboard, and I am using Internet Explorer. This is the updated Internet Explorer. So make sure your Internet Explorer is updated. So you can look here. That is Internet Explorer 11. So I'm using Windows 10. So that you can open the G7 and Green Evo training. So this is your dashboard. Then just click browse for training. Then search here the G7 and the Green Evo. So that one, for example, you click Green 7 protocol, then open curriculum. Then you click open curriculum, so it means, so since I'm already completed, so just click launch here. So but in your case it's not yet completed, so for this demo, so we just click launch, then click agree. Then wait for a moment for the Adobe Captivate will fully launch. So the password is Manulife@dd. So that is small letters, Manulife@AT, then DD. Again, Manulife@DD.
The application you are about to use has been created strictly for the exclusive use of Manulife and is intended for educational purposes.
Manulife@DD. So just use this and just finish it and answer the quizzes. Then take screenshot. So put your name here. So for example, that one. You can click also the menu. Okay, so these are the Green 7 protocol control panel. So you can click that one. So I'm recommending to start with number 1 so that you will have an idea about insurance. However, the Green Evo, that is for the variable life insurance. Just click that one, then just follow the instructions and take the quizzes. Then after that, take a screenshot, then send it to me. Thank you so much. So just ask your questions for any further inquiries. Thank you so much.